Hello dear friends, welcome to my channels. Today's discussions is probability. A number is selected from first 100 natural numbers, then probability that x satisfied x plus 100 by x less than 50. So friends, solution is that x plus 100 by x less than 50 and x square plus 100 less than 50x and x square minus 50x plus 100 plus 25 whole square minus 25 whole square less than 0, and after that x minus 25 whole square less than 525 and x minus 25 less than plus minus root over 525 and x less than 25 plus root over 525 and x greater than 25 minus root over 525 and x less than 25 plus 22.91 and x less than 25 minus 22.91, and after that the answer is x greater than equals to 48 and x less than equals to 2. We have to select from 1 to 100 and x is greater than or equal to 48, and x is less than equals to root over 2. So friends, x is greater than or equal to 48. X is greater than equals to 48 and we have to select from 49 to 100, that is 53. So total favorable outcome 53 plus 2 equals to 55 and probability equals to 55 by 100. I hope I can clear this problem.